Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Mike from Milky Railway. You know, I can't even say that right sometimes. I'm actually going to change the name. I was thinking more like Big Rock. Big Rock Railway. Yeah, Big Rock Railway. I like it. Because I got a big rock on my mountain. You can see it over there. It's on top of the tunnel. Yeah, I think I'm going to change the name. Big Rock Railway. Anyways, this is my, layout update number 5. Welcome. So, yeah, and as I explained in the layout number 4 update, I had to change the grade of my mountain line because I couldn't get a single train up there without a helper or a pusher. So, I had to tear it all down, and I found out that the grade going from this end to the top was actually 5%, almost 5% grade. So yeah, that's why he was having problems. So yeah, I continued on with my 2% grade from this side and continued 2% all the way up to the mountain. I had to shave this back part here of the mountain by hand. I think it turned out pretty good. Looks looks like a steady incline, but it works. And yeah, I've got. Well, of course, that always happens when I'm trying to make a video. But yeah, I had to do some repairs too. I had a turnout that wasn't getting any current in, I forget what part it's called, but it's yeah, right here I wasn't getting any power. So yeah, I switched that turnout with this one in the yard, and yeah, it works a little bit better in the yard. So too many issues with it. I couldn't have a train going, a slow pace coming from this end. You would just lose power and stop right there. So got that fixed up. And let's see what else. Yeah, I ended up, filling in a bunch of missing track pieces that were, where I connected 2 pieces, and I just kind of put in the little railway ties that were missing. And yeah, got this line glued and onto the mountain. It's a much better grade now. Yeah, I did some paper mache. You're really getting close to the painting. So I'm looking forward to that. Oh yeah, here's Big Rock. Yeah, Big Rock Railway. He's gonna look cool when he's all painted up. Yeah, in the mountain, I'm gonna have a little road going up and around and up to a church. You've all seen the church that was up there, but the buildings are away right now. But anywho, this is my 5th update now, and I have 10 subscribers. That's pretty cool. I'd like to get some more. It's always fun, posting videos and hearing what other people have to say, and see other people's ideas and layouts. I like this view from over here. Yeah, I can't wait until it goes up over there. But yeah, I come sit on my couch right here, and that's the view I have. I like it. So there's the back line. So yeah, Now that I've done all the track repairs and my third line is complete, glued down, I'm ready to paint. I'm going to do some paper mache with the kids this weekend. Finish up. 'Cause this is it's gonna come on and off easily. Boom, bam. Boom, bam. Alright. Booyah.